can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey.
Hey, what's up? It's Saweetie, the icy girl. When it comes to icy girl, I just think of extra fly, bougie. I like being extra. I have a broad sense of fashion. Like, I can't really be boxed in. One day I might want to wear a fur to the grocery store. I mentioned Tory Burch because if you know me, I will wear my Tory Burch sandals, rain, sleet, snow, sunshine, it don't matter. I've worn my Tory Burch sandals jet skiing. Like, I'm inseparable.
10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop.
I just love the snares. I chose My Neck, My Back because if you're familiar with my car raps, I was doing a lot of dude beats and I wanted to show love to like a female record. Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. So I was like, okay, and it's crazy because those words just kind of like flew out of my mouth.
It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be, judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy. Stacking paper steadily so I can live in luxury. Looking in the mirror, I thank God for what I'm about to be. You beefing with my enemy, does not make you a friend of me. Girl, so weird, stay clear, I'm living drama free.
I love the Instagram feature where you can save photos, and I actually will like look at my saved photos and put together pieces from girls I've seen online to be like, okay, this is what fits me, and then I just roll with it.
Yeah, it's my team summer. Couple setbacks, bounce back and recover. The clip real small, but we making big moves, and we headed to the top so we can get a better view. Oh my gosh. My whole life I always wanted a Chanel bag, and I finally got a Chanel bag. That is so pretty. So I definitely would want to, be sponsored or work closely with Chanel. It's timeless, it's glamorous, it's icy. So definitely Chanel. I'ma catch a tan overseas while I'm out the country. Let me get some Hennessy while I'm chilling on the beach. I'ma count a couple G's, let the server bring receipts. Double checking my expenses, never messy, always neat, never ever. Ask how a hot girl do it. #1 stunner, icy girl with a Cuban. Cash money mama that be dining in Bahamas. Eating fettuccine pasta with the scallops and the lobsters. I don't got no time for these hoes. Speaking on my name like I'm someone that they know. I'm the big cat bitch, yes these niggas love me. Is that Gucci on my feet? Shit, picture my beat.